So back in 2023, I started working on this personal project. And after about a year, almost a year of work, I launched this thing called Shoot to Ill at the beginning of 2024. I wanted it to be a creative outlet for me, but also something that could represent creators in general. I was genuinely really excited about it. But that year got loud really fast. It became unbearable to the point where I felt like I couldn't work through it. And after putting so much into this project, I felt lost just walking away from something that I felt had so much potential. I didn't stop because I ran out of ideas. I stopped because fear crept in. It started as fear being judged, but then the fear just kept changing shape. Fear of being misunderstood, fear of saying the wrong thing, fear of not knowing how honest I was allowed to be. I've tried so many times to shoot things for it or to sort of like resurrect this project, and I have, stalled at the thought of bringing it back. Being a Mexican American creator in the US right now feels complicated. There's a lot of creators in general making money off of social media, and there's this unspoken expectation to just keep creating and keep it light, to move past what's happening in our communities without sitting in it for too long. And even though I was born here in California in the US, it still affects me. Because when people who look like me are being targeted, it makes it clear how conditional belonging could be. I don't want to alienate anyone. That's not my goal with this. But I won't ever be afraid to stand with the people who have risked everything to give me a chance at the life that I live here in this country. That part of me is a non-negotiable. I know I'm not a creator for everyone, and I never have been, and that's okay. But I am a creator who can relate to this tension. And I want to be here for the ones who can feel it too. The ones trying to build something meaningful while carrying the weight of how they're seen. I still want this to be a creative outlet for me. I still want to talk about cameras and photos and video and editing and creative and talk about the kind of life that we can build for ourselves being a creative. But I couldn't do it without saying this first because it matters to me and it's part of the reason why I went quiet in the first place. So I'm going to take another run at this. I'm probably going to start with some vlogs and then bring back the podcast. But mostly I just want to show up as myself without trying to fit into whatever feels safest. So yeah, thanks for hearing me out and I'll see you guys soon. Keep shooting.